job, Kaylin.
How you rock climb. She's taking a video. You rock climb.
Good job. Go one more. Go one more. You can do it. You can do it. I know you can. Yay, Kaylin. Yay. Good job.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. You're doing so great. Yay. Good job. You're so strong.
You touched it.
You did?
Okay, we only have one more, and then the next one will be the top. Okay, now it's the easy part. Now it's gonna be the easy part. Oh boy, look at Sandra now.
Go, Kaylin. Great job. You're almost there.
Kaylin, look, we're almost there. We're almost there. We just have to get a pretty decent Sandra. Okay, which kind of leaf are you going to get? That one? Okay, let's get that leaf. That one. That one.
Good job, Kaylin.
Kaylin, shoot it in my face.
And I got it on video. Go, Kaylin, you're almost there. Hi, sweetie. You having fun?
What are you doing?
Good job. That's so cute.
Kaylin just had a big yawn. I think she's sleepy.
Sleeping on the way down?
Is this boring to you?
That was a big climb.
Is this so boring to Kaylin? Oh, she fell asleep. She fell asleep. Her eyes are closed. Her eyes are closed. She's asleep. She fell asleep on the way down. She got so tired going up there, huh? She worked so hard. Ah, sleepy, sleepy baby. Sleepy, sleepy baby. All right, Kaylin.
Kaylin, how was that?
Hi. Can you say, wee-ha, Sandra?
Yeah, you did so good.
Pull it. Pull it. Good job, Kaylin.
All right. All right. Can you smile at Sandra?
Is that fun?
Oh my goodness! Give me a high five on that one. Wow, you did so awesome.
Guess what, Sandra?
What?
We got your leaf.
You did.
Let's give her her leaf. I can get it out of here.
Guess what I got for you?
What?
Uncle Michael and I got you something.
What?
Oh, that's so pretty. We got you flowers.
Wow.
And are they, what color?
Pepper.
Do you like that color?
Are those the most beautiful flowers ever? Oh. Can you give Sandra a high five?